What's up, oh you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We want to be your box breaking website. We are coming in live at 9 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. Got two breaks for you tonight: 2012 Inception and the 2012 Triple Threads. We'll start off with the Inception first, save the Triple Threads for last. Here are the 16 names that bought into the Inception. New customer Steven joining us tonight. Gonna create two rosters, one for Group A, one for Group B. We'll do Group A first, 5 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll grab that list and paste it against the list we have on the website. Straighten that out a little bit for you. And we'll create the roster for Group B. I'll randomize that 5 times as well. Here is number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll grab that list, paste it against the list we have on the website. And give you a second to find your name and your teams. Alright. Inception is a 1-pack. 7 cards, going to be 2 base cards, 2 numbered parallel base cards, and 3 hits with 2 autographs guaranteed. Alright, up first for the Saints, Darren Sproles. Saints tonight are going to Ben. Up next for the Chargers, Antonio Gates. Chargers tonight going to Ben as well. Steelers, blue parallel, Ben Roethlisberger, numbered 58 out of 252. And the Steelers are going to Patrick D. And a gold parallel for the Lions, Calvin Johnson, number 12 out of 123. Lions tonight going to Tad. First hit for the Seahawks, a rookie running back on card auto, Robert Turbin. Seahawks tonight going to Tad. Nice hit. Up next for the Buffalo Bills, gold parallel rookie autograph with a 2-color jumbo patch, number 10 out of 75, TJ Graham. And the Bills are going to Brett S. Nice hit, Brett. Real nice thick card. Give you another look at the patch. A little bit of stitching in black along the bottom there. And over the last for the Denver Broncos, Ronnie Hillman jumbo patch. That one numbered 161 out of 165. Broncos going to Greg V. Congratulations, Greg. All right, up next we got the Triple Threads. Here are the 16 names that bought into the triple threads tonight. We'll randomize two rosters, one for Group A, one for Group B. We'll do Group A first. Randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll grab that list and paste that against the one list we have on the website. And we'll do the same for Group B. Start a new list and I'll randomize it 5 times. There's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, here is the roster for the triple threads tonight. Give you a minute to find your name in your teams. A few new customers joining us tonight for the triple threads. Glad to have you. Welcome and good luck. And this one is 2 mini boxes, 1 pack per mini box, and you're going to get 1 autograph jersey patch and a jersey patch per mini box. So we'll be pulling 4 hits. Here is mini box number 1. Whoop, sorry about that. Alright, good luck everybody. First for the Patriots, green parallel, Aaron Hernandez, numbered 111 out of 180. Patriots going to Justin C. Up next for the Eagles, LaShawn McCoy, gold parallel, number 22 out of 310. Eagles tonight are going to Patrick D. Up next for the Saints, Drew Brees, numbered 399 out of 989. And Saints going to Brett S. For the Ravens, Joe Flacco, that one numbered 972 out of 989. Ravens tonight are going to Jeremy P., new customer. Welcome, Jeremy. For the Raiders, Carson Palmer, this one numbered 119 out of 989. Raiders going to Patrick D. First hit going to the Seattle Seahawks, Robert Turbin, rookie jumbo patch. Seahawks going to Ron S. This one numbered 14 out of 99. Nice hit, Ron. And up next for the Buffalo Bills, rookie receiver TJ Graham, the rookie autograph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 patches. And that one numbered 57 out of 99 as well. Bills tonight are going to Jeremy P. Congratulations, Jeremy. And here is mini box number 2. First for the Cowboys, DeMarco Murray, this one numbered 87 out of 99. Cowboys going to Tyler J. For the Seahawks, Marshawn Lynch, numbered 5 out of 310. That one going to Ron. For the Denver Broncos, John Elway, numbered 358 out of 999. Broncos going to Joseph R. Buffalo Bills, Fred Jackson, numbered 961 out of 989, going to Jeremy P. For the 49ers, Steve Young, this one numbered 973 out of 989. That one going to Tad. First hit, mini box number 2 for the Jets, Mark Sanchez, with 7 patches. This one numbered 23 out of 36. Jets going to Tyler J. And up last for the Minnesota Vikings, a rookie autograph jersey patch, Jarius Wright. Vikings tonight are going to Ron S. This one numbered 34 out of 99. Nice hit, Ron. And thanks to everybody for getting in the breaks tonight. We got really one break or 2 breaks on schedule for tomorrow. The 2011 Precision and Totally Certifieds. Take a look and grab a spot. We'll see you tomorrow at halftime.